Imagine yourself when you started making money decisions. There's probably something you wish you could go back and change, right? Maybe you'd spend or borrow less money. Maybe you'd set different goals for yourself. Or maybe any goals. Today's kids should feel confident in making their choices for the future. They should be able to understand the impact of their decisions before they make them. Now, your students can with Claim Your Future. Claim Your Future is an interactive program that encourages students to explore career pathways, education and training options, and money management, including budgeting and looking at wants versus needs. You can play it online or in person. Educators can use Claim Your Future in a variety of settings, as either a standalone activity or as part of a larger unit on careers, education, and financial literacy. The program works great with elementary and middle school students, and it can also engage high school students in a discussion about career pathways and post-secondary education and training options. To help you and your students get the most from Claim Your Future, we created an educator's guide that includes detailed lesson plans, homework activities, online resources, and more. So are you ready to help your students claim their future? Let's get started. Order your kit today by going to claimyourfuture.com or email us to find out more about playing Claim Your Future in your classroom at cyf@samemaine.com.